Hi guys, I'm here with another unboxing today, and as I promised, this is the February 2018. I've been saying 2017 in videos, so I do apologise for that. 2018 edition of Big Parcel. So this is bang up to date. I've just got this week. Last week, I got it just last week, but I've never opened it. So let's see what's inside. Again, this is a box for people who have periods. It contains sanitary protection. You can choose what you want in it, and it also contains something to cheer you up. So, sanitary protection, and a cute little bag with sanitary protection in. And we've also got a pile of things in here, which usually reflects what's actually in the box. So we've got, basically it's talking about the Betty box, which is a version of Pink Parcel for sort of younger girls and teenagers with periods. So it's a bit more younger person themed, which sounds like a lovely idea. So that sounds really nice. So that's what they do, one of those as well. And this is about Scentered, which is aromatherapy balms and candles, which is that. Another HelloFresh voucher. And this, which is a little booklet which tells you a little bit more about what's in it. And this theme of February's box is self-love. Not like that at Dirty Minds. Right, let's have a look. Oh my god, this smells like chocolate. That's the first thing I'm noticing. Ah, this might be why. The Emily Victoria Candles highly scented wax melt in double chocolate chip. Oh my god. I wonder what that tastes. No, I don't. It can't taste as good as it smells. It definitely won't taste as good as it smells. Don't eat candles or washing pods. What sort of weirdos did that? Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. Let's see what it says. Emily. Place the wax melt into a wax burner and enjoy the sweet smells of chocolate as it fills your room. The scent will last for hours. And that looks as though it's a full size, but it doesn't give a price, but I'll try and give you an idea of the price of that. That smells so good. That smells really good. Sometimes chocolate ones don't smell that good, but that smells really nice. Okay, chocolate. Okay, so look that up. Right, then obviously chocolate. This is the Doisy and Dam dark chocolate, 74% cocoa with maple toasted rice and pink salt. And it's vegan. It's vegan and it's gluten-free. Unwrap to enjoy the rich, dark, Moorish taste of dark chocolate with a cheeky twist of superfoods. Pure Canadian maple syrup. I love maple syrup. Himalayan pink salt and lightly toasted whole grain rice for a satisfying crunch in each bite. Now, what size bar is this? What size is this bar? Does it say? This is a 25 gram bar, and it's $1.75 for a 40 gram bar, so that's like half size. That's that. I will be enjoying that shortly. Right, next. Right, we'll start at the beginning. That might be a good idea. Right. First thing, Scentered. Would that be Scentered? Or I think it's Scentered. Scentered Love Luxury Mini Therapy Balm. Roll onto your wrists, neck and temples and inhale the calming and comforting scents of rose, patchouli and cedarwood. Scented 100% natural aromatherapy fragrances on mindfulness on the go. And it just gives you an idea of price for a full size, $14.50. That, I don't think that's a full size, that's quite small. So again, I'll try and give you an indication of how much a full size would be. This is, what size is this? This is 1.5 grams. Can I get it out? Right, that's what it looks like, the box. And you've got this gorgeous cute little pot here. So, can't believe that just happened, the lid flew off. Oh, you can smell the patchouli. Whoa, that's very smells of patchouli. That's what it looks like. It's just like a mini lip balm. That's kind of nice. Yeah, you get the rose coming through, you get the patchouli, and you get the rose coming through, and then you get the sort of woodiness. That's quite nice, actually. What does it supposedly do? Stop, inhale and reset. Key benefits: promotes feelings of harmony, peace and love, comforting and calming. Used when you feel overwhelmed, in need of a hug or simply out of sorts. Love helps to restore a sense of inner peace and balance, an elegant and grounding fragrance to relax and unwind with at any time. That's really good. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of nice. That kind of works. Right, next. I've had this in a recent. This next product I've had in a recent box actually, and it is the Evelyn Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. Create a smooth base for your makeup using this hydrating antioxidant rich green tea primer, in which you'll receive the full size in this parcel, which is 20 mils for £28. That's quite expensive actually, isn't it? Your makeup will last ages and any lines and pores will look smaller. So yeah, I've already got one of these from a previous box. It is cruelty free and paraben free, and I will definitely give that a go. I need something. I've got primer on today and it's not working. I don't know what it is, because since I've had this virus my skin is awful. As I say, seems quite dehydrated, but it's at the same time I'm getting spots. I've got spots on my chin, I've got a couple on my cheeks, and I'm just like, I really don't know what to do with it at the moment. And I know it's probably just the virus or what have you that's mugged it up, but it's not good at the moment. I've tried to take some makeup photos today and they just haven't worked at all because my skin just looks so bad. But anyway, people have much worse skin than I am, so I'm grateful in that respect, but it can be very disheartening when it doesn't look right. So definitely slather on the primer. I like the idea of the green tea as well, because that's quite anti-inflammatory, isn't it? So that's that. Then what have you got? Hikari Shimmer Bronzer, various shades. Okay, that maybe it must be this. It's in bubble wrap, isn't it? What is the bubble wrap? Radiate Shimmer Bronzer, Hikari, cruelty free. Right, let's have a look, see what we get. Oh, that's pretty. Radiate Shimmer Bronzer. That's what it looks like. Very Bobbi Brown-esque packaging. And then you've got two like golden shades, like a bronze shade and then a pink. That's sort of bronzy gold. They are gorgeous. That's not doing that justice at all. I would definitely use those as eye colour. They are incredible. Beautiful shimmers. And you've got the brown. And you've got like a pink, corally pink. So yeah, that's really nice. That's really pretty. The golds especially are lovely. £13, full size £13. That looks as though that should be a lot more than that actually. It's very Bobbi Brown-esque. Right, and then what else have we got? Trying to squish in there. Right, and then we've got, we have a tea bag, which is Yuyo Escape the Ordinary Yerba Zing, or Yerba Mate with grapefruit. Is it Yerba Mate or Mate? I always say Mate. I'm probably wrong. With grapefruit and rosehip. With more antioxidants than green tea and caffeine rich like your coffee, fall in love with this freshened combo of peppermint, rosehip, grapefruit and tropical mate or mate. Make as you would a herbal cuppa. So, tea bag. Now, let's look. And finally, the Manuka Honey Hydrating and Moisturising Face Mask, Sheet Mask from Vitamasques. And this is for, what's this one for? Is this for drier skin? The only thing is with this, it's a full size. I love these Vitamasques masks. I love sheet masks, and at the moment I'm loving hydrogel masks. They are amazing. The only thing is with this, I've had one of these before. I actually ended up giving it away before I used it because I really don't like the smell of honey. So I don't want to open it and have it smell of honey and then not be able to use it once I've opened it. So yeah. I'm really torn because I love these masks, but I don't like the smell of honey. And I know it's Manuka, which can sometimes be a bit floral, but I really don't know. But these are brilliant. These masks are brilliant. As I say, it's just a personal thing with honey. So again, that was an excellent value box. I can't wait to try that wax melt. I really can't try because that just smells amazing. So yeah, that was Pink Parcel. That was February 2018 edition of Pink Parcel. I've got to try and remember, it's 2018. I know this year started in a blur to me, but I must remember what year it is. Yeah, so anyway, let me know your thoughts on this box. I'll put a link to Pink Parcel below, and I'll also put a link, not a link, I'll try and give you an idea of the actual sizes and give you an idea of the price where I can do that. So I'll do that below, and I'll also put a link to my blog below, so don't forget to follow my blog. I've got a couple of nice giveaways coming up soon. I've got a few Tarte products and things, so make sure you follow me on there. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and as I say, let me know what you think about this box in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with another video which could potentially be a haul. I still owe you my Christmas sale, well, January sale beauty haul, and I've got a Dorothy Perkins haul which I think I'd quite like to show you as well. So I've probably got a haul video coming up next. So thanks for watching, and I will see you really soon with whatever it is. Thanks. Bye.